Clean Fortune is the best thing ever happened to me since I am in this business. Clean Fortune gives me something to look forward to. In my business, I am growing right now a lot. I have to be hiring more people in my company to do the work. I would advise anyone at all looking for marketing in this area, talk to Clean Fortune. They're honest. They give you what you're looking for. I'm happy that I did find them. But anyone out there looking for a good marketing company, talk to Clean Fortune anytime. They will listen and they will do exactly what you're asking. And they even give recommendations.